Hello my loves, it's Casee Brim and oh my god, do I have some lashes to show you today. You are going to be mind blown. The Quick Flick has just released a whole range of different new styles from their Quick Lash collection, and I'm telling you now, they are the most gorgeous lashes I've ever seen in my life. They have 2 new styles to match each wing liner stamp that they have in their collection, which is super exciting. So each of the lash styles has a perfect wing liner to complement the lashes. So you're gonna look flawless. They also have a brand new dual-ended applicator, which honestly changes the way I do my lashes and makes it so much easier to apply. And you know me, I'm not very good at applying lashes, but the Quick Lash range makes it so easy, even if you are a novice like me. These to the point lashes are honestly divine. This is in the style 3 that I'm going to apply first. I'm going to take my dual end applicator to gently take out the lashes from the box and trim them down to my eye size. Now I'm going to take my clear adhesive liner and I'm going to apply that to my lash line where the lashes are going to stick down, and wait for 30 seconds, then just pop the lashes on. I feel like you have a lot more control with the felt tip, and it's just so much easier than applying regular lash glue. It really is a game-changing product. Once it's nice and tacky, I just lay the lash down and finesse it into place. This tool makes it really easy to match the lashes down onto your lash line and really get a nice snug fit. Look how easy that was to apply that lash, and it just is such a beautiful style. Oh my god, so perfect to do without a liner and just give a nice subtle boost. I'm obsessed.